What's the meaning of color? Color. Color.
Color. Color. Color refers to the visual perception of different wavelengths of light that stimulate various parts of the eye's retina. It is a property of an object that can be described by its hue, saturation, and brightness. Color is an essential element of human perception and has significant cultural and psychological effects on people. In art, color is used to convey emotion, mood, and create visual interest. In design, color is used to communicate brand identity and enhance usability. Overall, color plays a vital role in our lives, and without it, the world would be a dull and lifeless place.